Hi Zoran.
Hi Haris.
From your perception, what do you mean discrimination?
I will try with simple words. Discrimination is when all children have a ball, but some of the children using only the dirty and old ball.
Did we have discrimination on Roma in Macedonia?
We have a couple of cases of discrimination of Roma in Macedonia. One was when the Roma was returned from the borders, and second time when they cancelled the social help because they have additional income. In the both case, that was against the Roma like community.
Why you want to go to the conference in Berlin?
Why I want to go? Because I will present my experience and experience of NGO, how we mobilize community and address the issue with the arguments, how we address the discrimination and how the community have a profit from their work.
What is harm benefit from your perception?
I expect that I will have a knowledge from the experts and scientists who will bring me much more tools and arguments in my hands. Thank you.
Thank you very much.